So we've introduced now the ability for, in the programming environment, in the programmatic environment, to bring in how you can target via an audience. And we bring in offline data, Nielsen's data that we know about what people are watching, say, on TV, or what people are buying in stores, because we track buying habits of people across 100 countries. So we have the ability to qualify what an individual represents as a buyer and allow now targeting of advertising on that. Audience segments is a collection of this offline Nielsen data. Again, there are 4 segments on it. One is TV viewing behavior. The second is buying behavior and what products and categories of products you buy. 3 is segmentation, lifestyle segments. The Prism segments, if you're familiar with soccer moms, we now have an ability to qualify that online to a cookie and have people target advertising on it. And we're now launching, as we speak, segments about which retailers you visit. So you could be a visitor to a Home Depot, or when you do clothes shopping, you might be going to a Nordstrom. We'll have that qualified on your cookie, as well as which restaurants you eat. And so I will have a cookie again, that same cookie marked with, hey, listen, this person usually has breakfast at McDonald's, or when this person eats dinner, goes to this kind of a restaurant. There are more data providers lined up for OCR. We've announced Facebook. We will be announcing soon our second data provider. And by doing so, we will now bring OCR the capability of reporting over and beyond age and gender as well with the second set of data provider. Facebook has tremendous data, and they've opened it up to us. We are thankful for that. But it is bringing to the marketplace additional data providers that shows that the industry is behind OCR, A, and then B, also bringing additional data dimensions that this second data provider could have a specialty in, right? For example, with Facebook and OCR, we have age and gender, but with the second provider, we could bring in information, say, on income of people. And think about it that at the end of the day, there might be a specialized data provider that has that information, that they are the best in the industry for that data, and we bring that in, we bring best of breed into OCR, and that's really the goal of additional data providers. It's a complement to Facebook in essence. Yeah, OCR we've now deployed in a few countries, the major advertising markets, Australia, UK included. We are on the course for launching a few additional countries as we speak, and these countries you will hear in the next actually couple of weeks. By the end of the year, we'll have more than 5 countries launched with OCR, and that will represent more than 80% of the global online spend. So we have pretty ubiquitous coverage in the most important countries that are important to the industry as well as important to our partners like Facebook.